Oppo experience by unboxing the Reno 4 with you. Here we have, I think this is the cover. Yes, it's a clear cover, which is ideal because you get to see whatever the phone cover really, the phone back of the phone is. And then we have, I think this is my favorite one, which was the galactic blue color. I think it's a very pretty, sleek phone. And let's see the accessories that come with it. So we have a VOOC flash charger that comes with its cable. And we have a pair of headphones that come with the phone.
It's got this fantastic premium feel to it, so smooth to touch and has a cool, mysterious vibe. Reno 4 has a rare 3+1 4-shot camera and a special AON feature. AON feature is a 1.2 megapixel lens combined with the smart identification algorithm. It works as a smart sensor and offers a number privacy protection feature. It comes in 2 colors, frost silver and galactic blue.
So let me show you one of the features that we all love, which is the camera for selfies. Let me walk you through this. So you go to camera, and then you will go to portrait mode and click on the filter icon there. And where you see, so you've got a bunch of these, but where you see the yellow girl, that gives you the cool AI color portrait mode. I'll take a picture and show you what it looks like. So basically what it's done is, it keeps me in color, but everything else around me stays in black and white. So it gives you that pop in that image. And then I will take you to AI enhanced smart sensor. So if my hands are wet or if they're sticky and I can't touch my phone, I can just gesture in the air. So I'll show you, for example, I scrolled up and now I'd like to. Very cool. So this was the Reno 4 in the really cool galactic ice blue kind of color that I like. But what's the coolest feature also of this phone is it comes with a VOOC flash charger, which is the fastest charger I've seen any device use. It's got 8 GB RAM of memory and 128 GB ROM of memory. Let me quickly slip this back to protect it. And that was the very cool Reno 4. And there you have it, Oppo's Reno 4.
Right, so now it's time to feel this trendy and innovative gem of technology, the Reno 4 Pro. As you can see, this is the beautiful box that it comes in, and of course, it's very simple. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Right, let's have a look. Right at the start, we have the phone right over here. It's a very slick looking phone. I'm just gonna slide it out. Whoa, this is a classy looking device. Really nice and sleek smartphone. A borderless curved screen, has a frosted back, a quad cam too, for some self-indulgence I guess. It is easily one of the best looking value flagship smartphones. Really ultra thin. It comes with its Super VOOC charger, which is 65 watts charging. It's fast charging, so it can charge. It can give a full charge to the phone in 36 minutes. That's the cable, and of course the earphones. Now going back to the phone, and what I really like about it is its seamless transition. This is 90 Hertz, so you can see how smooth it is. The processor is very fast, as mentioned before. It's Snapdragon 720G. So what is one of my favorite features is in the camera, if you go on to video mode, which it already is, and you go into settings, there is a filter called the Portrait Color Retention Filter. Now, I'll show you what it does by recording this video. While I record this video, I am in focus, and of course I'm in focus because it's tracking me, but my background is black and white, and I am in color. And it does this throughout while I move. So you can see the cameraman behind me who's wearing a green shirt, but you can't see him. He's wearing a green shirt. I'm wearing a suit, but I'm the one in color, and everything else behind me is black and white. I think this is a fantastic feature. I've never seen it on any other phone, and I think it's just brilliant. And of course, the high camera quality, it just looks amazing.